Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you might need to move your assets around, and today we're covering how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Revolut in 2025. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to double-check the steps to avoid any hiccups. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring like a pro. First off, make sure you have active accounts on both Coinbase and Revolut, and that you have some cryptocurrency in your Coinbase wallet. Also, verify that Revolut supports the specific crypto you're transferring. Things might have updated by 2025, so check their app. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to your portfolio, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, and click on the Send or Withdraw button. Step 2. You'll need the Revolut wallet address. Open your Revolut app, go to the crypto section, and generate or copy the wallet address for the specific coin. Make sure to double-check that it matches the network of your crypto, Ethereum on ERC20, for example. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, paste the Revolut wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to send, and review the transaction details, including any network fees. These fees can vary, so keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Step 4. Hit Confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on the blockchain's congestion. Once it's done, head back to Revolut and refresh your crypto balance to see the funds arrive. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works smoothly, especially in 2025 when regulations or platform updates might change things. Also, be aware of any taxes or additional fees from either platform. And there you have it. Your crypto is now in Revolut. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Happy transferring!